Hi, I'm Jeff Moore. I'm Title V Grant Lab Manager. One of the things that we have done was renovate the greenhouse. We started with reskinning the entire outside, so all new metal on the bottom, new polycarbonate on the side. Our ridge vent used to be a manual operated system. We have added a motor to it, so now it opens. We have a shade system that moves forward and back on command, or we can set a timer so it comes on and off so that we can allow sunlight in for the plants, but also on those really hot Texas days we can cut the temperature down by 50%. All of this is managed from a computer system that allows each one of those items to be managed by the computer. We also added a pavilion on to the north side of the greenhouse, 25 by 25 with a metal covering. We have tables and benches out here for us to have an outdoor classroom. We have a botanist that will be utilizing the greenhouse to grow plants that they will use in the classroom to look under microscope to look at the structure of those plants. And we have a nutritionist that as well.
Hi, I'm Professor Brooke Wright, and I teach anatomy and physiology, medical terminology, and Introduction to Nutrition here at McMurry. My Introduction to Nutrition class has been using the greenhouse so that I can show them how easy it is to grow vegetables at home and in containers. And so throughout the course of the semester, we've planted vegetables and we've watched them grow. It's really good that we have the greenhouse here so that students can just walk over, we can check on our plants, we can grow large plants. We know that the temperature and the light is always stable. And it's really good so that students can see just how easy it is to grow vegetables that don't have pesticides, they don't have herbicides, and they can do it all even in their dorm room window.